This is the little cute bag tag that I've made. It's actually an E-Textiles bag tag, so I can light it up. I can switch it around here. Just use the switch on the back of it. And now you can actually see that it has light up eyes and nose. It's stitched with a soft circuit. The soft circuit is made with stainless steel thread. It's here, and there's a little battery pack under here with a cell battery, coin cell battery in there. I did most of my learning for this online, and I'm going to put some links below. So the learning that I did was mostly from SparkFun tutorials and also from reading a book called So Electric. I just read the beginning of the book because it goes into a lot more detail than I needed, and I'll put links for both of those below. This is how I started my cute monster. So this is my design. It's actually got a few little markings on it. It says ribbon will go here, eyes and nose light up. I could also say what colour the hair is going to be, what colour the body will be, what colour the features will be. And then I created a paper pattern. I just basically traced around the edge of the design, and I have already cut that out. And then I traced it once. This part will be the front. So I traced it with my erasable marker so that if there are any markings that are left around the edge, I can iron those off. And then I put it back over here, but I put it so that I can flip the design, because this part will be the middle and the back. And the middle and the back need to be flipped and joined at the feet or at the bottom of your design, so that the conductive thread can be stitched through from the middle to the back. The middle will have all of the LEDs on it, with the conductive thread going through to the back, and this is where the battery will be so that you can access the battery easily. These are the main body pieces that have been cut out. So this part here will be the middle and the back, and they will be folded together. So this is the way that my cute little monster goes, and then I will place the top piece on top of that. Now the reason we have a top piece, that's the front, that will actually just have all the features on the front, but it will hide the LED and the conductive thread stitching on the inside, so that you'll just see the really attractive front rather than all this conductive thread. And then on the back you'll actually see the battery a little bit and a little bit of stitching, but it won't matter so much. Here's the front of my cute little monster. I've cut out all of the felt pieces that become her features, and I haven't attached any of them at the moment. I am going to glue them on. These little eyes I'm actually going to punch holes in. I'm going to punch a hole here for the nose so that the LEDs can shine through. And also this, I can actually glue this on with a small amount of glue. I'm going to use a toothpick again so that I don't get glue all over my monster. But if you're going to use foam around the edges, please don't put those on until the end, because if you're trying to stitch through foam, when you stitch all the way around the edge of your design, whatever you're making, you'll find that the foam is very thick and very hard to stitch through. If you've got felt, you're welcome to glue it on earlier, but it's up to you. You can add that later if you like.